So, dear participants, we will start the valedictory function in another 2 minutes. Sir, Sichodi sir, so we will start in another 2 minutes, sir.
Within 2 minutes.
So before starting the valedictory, so I would like to say a few things about the assessment. Assessment link, as many of you have requested in the group, till 5 o'clock it will be available, and beyond that we cannot extend since we need to consolidate the assessment mark and as well as attendance, and we need to complete it in the Atal portal by today itself. So kindly cooperate with this, and till 5 p.m. it will be available. That is one point. And another point, individually you need to give feedback in the Atal website. So every participants, we request those who are attending continuously, you give the feedback for this machine learning FDP. So combinedly with the attendance what we are entering and what feedback you are giving, so then only the certificate will be generated in your portal, okay, in your login. So kindly remember these 2 points. Okay, thank you.
Arun sir.
Yeah, shall we start? Yeah.
Yes, sir. We can start, sir. We can start.
Yeah. So very good afternoon to one and all present here. So it is our great pleasure to join this valedictory function. So with our beloved HOD sir, Dr. T. Paul Raj. Last 5 days we had a very useful sessions with various experts on machine learning. So many hands-on sessions and many theoretical and very practical applications. A lot of knowledge would have gained, and many of the participants continuously attended, and lot of interactions they were made in the sessions. And also in the chat box also many participants they interacted with the experts. So with all these, today we have come to the last day of your FDP, that is the 5th day. So morning also we had very interesting session by Lakshmi Narasimhan sir, and followed by our principal sir on art of living. With all these sessions, you would have had great time in learning. Followed by, so today we are having valedictory function. So in this valedictory, so our beloved HOD sir has joined with us. Uh, Followed by we are having the assessment. So now I request our HOD sir to give the valedictory address to the participants, and followed by that, feedback of the oral feedback of participants will be there. Attendees, I request you to give the oral feedback after this. So now I request our HOD sir to give the valedictory address.
Thank you, Arun.
Thank you, sir.
So, very good afternoon to all you present here, especially the participants, enthusiastic participants, and my dear colleagues. Really, you have done a great job. One thing, a few words I wanted to convey about this FTP. As soon as this FTP has been declared, within a day or two, maximum third day, we have reached the maximum strength of 300 participants. So according to Atal FTP's guidelines, they asked us to approve the people, those who have a little less number of FTPs. But we haven't leave anyone. Most of the participants have been approved. We have approved around 230 participants. Out of that, consistently 144 to 149, like that. Nearly 150 participants were attended all the sessions. And regarding the resource persons, we have tried our level best. We have conducted throughout our nation. Very good people. We tried to collect maximum. We collected a resource people. You might have seen from variety, that is from defense, from the statistical institute, and academician and industry, HCL. All these things we have collected together to make this FTP as a real resource delivery platform. We have succeeded. So, and from your daily feedback in the chat box, even I could see all the chat box. Most of you people were giving the positive feedback. That is, it have reached you. That is a very great success for us. So definitely, I'm telling, at the end of these 5 days, I'm one thing I can agree and say that you may not be able to understand 100%, but at least through this online mode, 50% reach you people means that is a great success. I hope so, because from your feedback, because if the FTP sessions are somehow weak and you are not interested, the very next day or the very next session, the attendance will come down. But here, consistently 145 to 150 people were attending this session indicates that you are getting a lot of information through this FTP. That's why we could meet the intention, we could meet the aim of this FTP. So that way we could arrange our resource persons after great difficulties. And we are really very happy, and day to day we were discussing in the evening that about you people, the participants, your encouragement, your interest towards this program, that helped us to improve further. If we were lagging in any of the area, definitely we are getting a positive feedback, positive input from you people. Definitely we could rectify this one. But unfortunately, one thing happened here is we used to conduct such type of, we have conducted many STTP, FTPs sponsored by AICTE, ICMR, Anna University, and so many sponsoring agencies that we used to conduct in our campus. But this time, two STTP, one is AICTE, IST STTP, and this Atal FTP. Both we could not conduct in our campus. Instead, we are forced to conduct through this online mode. One of the advantage of this online mode is we could connect many people throughout our nation, from almost all states, from Jammu Kashmir to Kanyakumari. All states have participants in this FTP. That is a great success. We could connect all you people, but unfortunately, we could not meet you people directly. Definitely, I'm telling, the forthcoming months and years, definitely we will conduct our FTP, STTP in our campus. I cordially invite you all people to come to our campus. Our campus is a very greenish and very, what to say, very pleasant campus. If you enter into our campus, the temperature means inside our campus is nearly 5 to 7 degrees less when compared to outside temperature, because that much greenish, that much pleasant environment we have. And one more thing I wanted to say is our management. Our management is really gratefully, we all are wholeheartedly telling a great, generous management. They were supporting us a lot. They are giving much freedom. And if you come to our campus, you will feel the lovely atmosphere there. So from transportation, from food, everything they are providing us free of cost. Because of that positive approachment of the management, our college is fast growing. My dear participants, I am very happy and proud to say our college admission is filled by the month of December itself. That you cannot believe. But still, I am very frank and very proud to say our management seats are filled by the December, because all the parents will come and fill their seats, because we are providing good atmosphere there. We are providing good education there. We are providing 100% placement. Of course, 100% you cannot believe. We are assuring that, but we are reaching 85% of the placement every year. We have the record. Someone you can come and visit our campus and you can see. The last year, one of our students from CSC department got placed in Amazon with the highest package of 28 lakhs per annum. A 19-year-old student, 28 lakhs per annum that we could make. These are all the advantage of our college, and for this our management is supporting a lot. So like that, I'm inviting you people for the next, we have our your contacts, email and all, we will keep with us. Next time if we get an FTP, definitely that will be conducted in our campus itself. We will send you mail personally. I request, I cordially invite you all people to visit our campus. You have to come to our campus to feel the pleasant atmosphere of the engineering colleges. Definitely we will meet one day. By the time I will explain about our management very well. So before that, hope our all the sessions were good, and you would have learned a little bit about machine learning, and we were well prepared. We asked all the resource persons to ask them to prepare the PPT, everything as simple as possible to reach you all. Hope you all are working people. That's what you, the height and ups and downs, you can adjust yourself. And I hope you would have reached, you would have learned a little bit about machine learning. Definitely next time, definitely I'm inviting you. This you feel is personal invitation from our department. We all are together inviting you up, all people to our campus. You may be in Kashmir, or you may be in Calcutta, Delhi, whatever it may be. Don't hesitate our invitation. Next time you have to come. This personal mail ID we will keep with us. We will invite you all people. You have to come. Hope this relation, our relation, should continue forever and ever. And we are all teaching people. One or other way, we will meet in some other places. By the time we request you people to give a hi. That's all. We have to meet again and again so that we can improve our relation further. We will deliver our original content to the students, the welfare of the students and growth of our country. This is what our intention of the Atal FTP as well, that we meet. So with your cooperation, definitely this we could done. And I'm telling you, our mail ID, phone number, everything is there. Please keep in touch with us. Whatever help you need, please mail to me or please call one of our coordinators. We are always helping everyone. We are ready to help you people also. Whatever help you need, don't hesitate. Please send a mail or message, whatever it may be. Immediately we will respond to you people back. So I thank you very much for your wholehearted cooperation and interest you shown towards this FTP. And really, I appreciate the coordinators for each and every session, the moderators, all people were behind you. Definitely, their work they have done well. You can contact us for any further help. Thank you very much. May God bless you all. Stay safe. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. So thank you, sir, for the wonderful valedictory speech. You have personally touched everyone with the content which you have delivered. So thank you, sir. Sorry. So now I request participants to give oral feedback. So whatever the experience you have gained, so I would like to invite you to share here.
Professor, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, madam.
Good afternoon. I'm Uma from good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon,
I'm
madam.
Uma from
please introduce yourself.
I'm Uma. I'm Uma from
Madam, please,
Hindustan
you may
College.
come in. You may come in video mode if possible. Please come in video mode as well.
I will.
Thank you, madam. Thank you. Right.
Yeah. Good afternoon, sir. So this is
Good afternoon,
Uma from
madam.
Hindustan College of Engineering and Technology, sir.
Thank you, madam. Tell me,
Yeah,
madam.
really a wonderful program organized by RMK CAC team. Actually, all the sessions were very informative. We have more focused on the hands-on sessions. We have learnt about all the tools which is available in machine learning, like Colabs or the tool which is taught by Surya Prabha Madam, Robin Rennie sir. Even I was astonished that the HOD of your department, that is Dr. Palraj sir, and principal, even all the faculties have delivered such a wonderful session. It shows that the faculty and the team who is organizing this FDP is well enriched in the field of machine learning. So that is that is very well appreciable, sir, because the faculty whoever involved in your team, as well as yourself, HOD, and you didn't even left your principal sir also has given a wonderful session today. So that shows that the teamwork what you are doing, that is very much encourageable and appreciable, Paul Raj sir, and the organizer, Professor Arun sir. Thank you for that. We are continuously getting good response from the organizing team through WhatsApp group as well as in the chat box. That is also very good and appreciable. And that's the sessions about coming to the sessions. Everything what we learned is entirely different. I have attended many FDPs and STTPs, as usually all the faculties are doing in the COVID period. We have also done many. We have also conducted and also attended many of the programs, but this FDP completely depends upon the research oriented aspects. What you have delivered is wonderful, and all the speakers and the scientists, whoever you have invited, are also very richful, and they are also very talented to enrich the knowledge, sir. As you said, the Paul Raj sir, as we are in the teaching community, we are in the field to transfer the knowledge from one end to another end. That may be through faculty team or research team or student team. It is our duty to transfer the knowledge. So in that way, we are all blessed to share the knowledges, because we are the only community. We couldn't have any greedy or any other thing to deliver that is share the experiences, share the knowledge. So this is what the field. When you go for an IT field or any other competition business, we couldn't share the those people will not share their ideas, share their talents. But being as a teaching faculty or teaching community, we are the one, we have to proudly say that we are cheerful to share our technical content and knowledge among the parents. So in that way, we are proud to meet you, Dr. Palraj and Arun sir. Thank you for organizing such a wonderful FDP and giving me an opportunity to post a feedback on you. Thank you so much, Paul Raj sir and Arun sir, and thank you for the whole team as well. And I have also noted that you have splitted each and every session to all the faculties to involve into this FDP. That is also very much encourageable. In that aspect also, I need to appreciate you, Arun sir and Paul Raj sir. Thank you for the entire team. Kudos to the team, and go ahead. We will also again meet in another opportunity if that is the chance permits. Thank you, sir. Thank you for the opportunity to give make me to give the feedback. Thank you so much.
Thank you, madam. Thank you, madam. Thank you very much for your positive feedback. Definitely, we are as a team. As you said, we haven't spared our principal as well. We all are together. Our aim is to share our knowledge and keep a good relation with our peers. That's all that we will do. Further meet FTPs. I invite you all people again to come and visit our campus. Thank you, madam. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Professor.
Thank you, madam. So other participants, you can share your oral feedback. Participants, you can share your experience, so that we'll come to know about so how you have made use of this FDP.
Yeah. You have given the feedback in the chat box. Please come and live, so that that's what I wanted to make a good network throughout our nation. That's what. Please, from north side or east side, anyone of you, please come forward and say a few words, so that we can maintain our relation further. Thank you.
Sir, good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, madam.
Good
I
afternoon,
am
madam.
Bhavani from CVR College of Engineering, Hyderabad, sir.
Okay, thank you, madam. Tell me, madam.
Thank you so much for organizing such a wonderful FDP, sir. We have learned so many new things, and the information the coordinators has given, the speakers, resource persons has given, it is very useful for our research work, sir. Especially, I thank Senthil Prakash, sir. The hands-on session on machine learning algorithms, I loved it very much, and also I learned so much from that Kaggle account, all those things, sir. Thank you for such an opportunity given to us from your end, sir.
Thank you, madam. Thank you very
Thank
much.
you.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you, madam.
Thank you, madam.
The other participants, you can share your experience. So any other participants so are interested to share, means you can share your experience so that others will know, and so we'll also come to know.
Good afternoon, sir. I'm Sneha from Geetam University, Bengaluru.
Good afternoon, madam. Good afternoon, madam. Please go ahead.
Yeah,
Please,
audible.
it is audible, madam.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sir, it is like wonderful FTP. I have joined recently for the PhD under machine learning. Like I was struggling to understand the concepts regarding the implementation part. Really, I have learned a lot, sir. It really helped me a lot. And it has given a great confidence. And Robin Rainey sirs and Paul Roth sir and Senthil sir and Bobby John, every machine learning algorithm concepts are really so clear and so understandable, which we are not able to understand with the help of the YouTube's concepts and all, which are really clear, which is made clear. So thank you for giving the opportunity like this, sir.
Thank you, madam. Thank you. So, anyone please come forward. Time is running out, so we will go for the next program. So if you can come fast. Arun or
Yeah, yes, sir. Yeah, if
no one is there, means we'll move to the next item. Yeah.
So thank you, participants, for your valuable feedback. So everyone have shared their views, and others also have given daily feedback in the chat box as well as in the feedback responses you have given. So from that we were able to understand that. So it was very useful for you all. So thank you. Now I request Senthil Prakash sir to convey proposed vote of thanks. Okay, so followed by that we'll be having the assessment. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Arun sir.
Yeah.
So I am very happy to deliver the vote of thanks. First of all, I thank our management for motivating us, for encouraging us in organizing such programs. I also thank our beloved principal, Dr. Rangaraja sir, for continuously supporting us. I also thank our beloved HOD sir, Dr. D. Palraj sir, for continuously supporting us and also motivating us in all our initiatives. As many people said, sir always supports in all aspects. So we, on behalf of coordinator, I thank our HOD sir also. I also thank our professor, Dr. Vijilson Prem sir. So he is also part of this organizing team. So I also thank sir. So I also thank the resource persons who have accepted our request. Let it be Ms. Vidubala ma'am, Dr. S. Krishnakumar sir, Mr. Robin Reni sir, then Dr. Jaising Tangaraj sir, Suri Prabha ma'am, Bobby John sir, and Lakshmi Narasimhan sir, and also our principal sir, so who readily accepted our request. So I thank all the resource persons and also internal resource person, our Palraj sir and also Arun Manikaraja sir. So last but not least, I also thank all the participants who were from different part of our nation. So we solidly believe that your expectation might have been fulfilled in the 5 days, in the past 5 days. So as our HOD sir said, we wish to have long-term relationship with all you people. So in future, if we organize any similar programs, so try to visit our campus. Wish you all the best. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Sendil. So now the assessment link will be posted in the chat box. So thank you, HOD sir. So we'll be posting the link and they will be attending the assessment, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Thank you, Arun. Thank you very much.
Thank
Please
you so
take
much.
care. Right.
Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Bye. Bye to all. Bye to all. Thank you very much. Bye.
Participants, regarding attendance, we hope that all the issues have been addressed. Still, if you have any issues, please let us know. By around 4 o'clock, we will be consolidating the attendance for all the 5 days and we will be sharing in the WhatsApp group. So if you have any issues, please let us know. Thank you,
Sir,
participants.
one more request is there from my side.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Sir, please send the link on WhatsApp because in chat box from the morning I have facing a problem that you are no longer participate for this team.
Okay, so you want the assessment link to be posted in the WhatsApp group. Am I right, ma'am?
Yes, please,
Yes, ma'am.
that is a request
Definitely.
to you.
Yes, ma'am. Definitely, ma'am. Definitely.
Thank
And
you.
one more
Thank
thing,
you, sir.
thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. And kind request is that in the assessment link, you are supposed to give your participant ID. So kindly ensure that you are just giving your participant ID without any space, hyphen. So the entire participant ID should be there because we will be using some automated programs for getting your results. So to kindly give your participant ID correctly. Okay, fine. Thank you, participants.